Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Harbor Freight. We're going to be looking at the weekly deals, the deals they have this week. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make them to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribes and likes. If you guys don't know, Harbor Freight's running a parking lot sale next weekend. So be sure to stay tuned for all my videos. There's going to be a lot of clearance deals. Just the video before this one, I do explain for a little bit. These batteries are not in stock, haven't been in stock for a long time. This is the 12 volts batteries for the new ratchets. I don't know what's going on with Harbor Freight. When you're going to be releasing a tool, make sure you can have enough batteries for all the tools that you're going to be releasing. This is a really nice miter saw. Definitely recommended. A professional level miter saw. This one's really nice. Definitely recommend it if you're pretty much on a low budget and a good professional level miter saw. It's going to be right below the the price is going to be below the professional level miter saws, but the quality is still going to be there. We got it says new tools, Bauer tools, 20 volt coming soon. I don't know if we're going to get some more or like this time of year or later on in the year, who knows. They're still running the battery. You buy a tool, battery, and charger, you get $25 off. Hercules, and if you do the same thing with Bauer, you get $20 off. The good thing about these tools is that the batteries are really cheap. So not like other like name brands or other brands, their batteries are super expensive. That's not the case with the Harbor Freight. $16.99. That's really expensive. I will not buy these at $16.99. That's way crazy price. They tripled the price. It was like $6 back in the day, and now they're like $19 regular price. That's crazy. They got the battery charger engine starter on sale for $34.99. If you guys have this charger, let me know down in the comment section, see if you like it or not. You got looks like a pneumatic tire for the dollies or for something for the house. 13-inch pneumatic tire, $11.99. It says with hub, so it does include the little rim for it. Then you got these for maybe a wheelbarrow, $19.99. Replacement cart, tire, and wheel. Regular price $25.99. And they got this engine here. It's a 301cc or cubic inch. $16.99 for this made in the USA flag. Got some sockets on sale. You got 13-piece half-inch drive professional sockets. Icon, $53.99. Half-inch drive. And then you got these, $44.99 for 13-piece half-inch professional sockets. Icon. Those are the chrome. I believe they're the shorter ones. Then they got these. These are a 1/4-inch drive. $21.99, $26.99 for the for these kits here, for the longer sockets, for the deep sockets. $26.99, regular price $29.99. And then you got this torque wrench, 3/8 digital torque wrench, $149. I do have the 1/2 inch, the bigger one. I do like it. It's really nice. Definitely recommend it. 4-piece high visibility socket adapter set, $3.99. Definitely recommend this socket set. Buy a few of them. Just have them in each tool bag, and if you run impact wrenches, you don't got the right size, there you go. That's a mixed match. If you break them, oh well. They're cheap. They do have warranty, lifetime warranty with Harbor Freight. Any of the Pittsburgh tools do have warranty. So another great thing to get is this the jacks, $104.99 for the 3-ton heavy duty low profile jacks. I do have this one in the Daytona version. I do like it. I do recommend it for you guys. That's the one that I have on the orange. I have orange. $124.99. It's a killer deal. Was $147.99. Like I said, all the jacks from Harbor Freight are solid pieces of equipment. Definitely recommend. $199 for the Rapid Pump 3-ton low profile Super Duty. So that's the bigger one, but definitely recommend. The more you can buy, the better. $29.99 10-piece bearing race and sealed driver. Maddox. Yeah, they got all sorts of different kits there. $7.99 7-piece and pick and hook set from Pittsburgh, I believe. They do have the icons too. Then they got this, the 11-piece disc and brake pad caliper service kit. $29.99 11-piece from $49.99. So definitely check it out. A lot of great stuff. And then you got the see, that's the start. That's the one that I need. I need that charger, the 15 amp. I don't know if I should buy this 10 amp. If that's enough to jumpstart some D-cycle batteries and get them going. $34.99 for the regular charger there. You got this. These are new. The Viking jump starters. $74.99. It's a compressor, 4-in-1 power pack, jump starter, compressor, everything in there. $19.99 for a scissor jack, 1.5 ton. Was $29 or $23.99. So if your truck or car is missing this one, you can buy a replacement here at Harbor Freight. $3.99 for the non-contact voltage tester. I do have this one. Works really well. It works, and when you have electricity, that thing lights up. It sounds. When you don't, it doesn't do anything. So $19.99 half ton hand winch. So that's something really nice if you don't have a battery. You just want to pull a vehicle or something, a small vehicle. $6.99 for the 1 3/8 high carbon steel plunge flush cutting blade. From Bauer. So if you're doing a small cut, there you go. And then you got these on sale for $8.99. These are great, guys. I have a few of these around the house for those spots that are really dark. Just make sure that solar panel does get enough sunlight, so it could charge up. You do have an option of turning it off completely and turning it on as you're there. $54.99 for the 9-function metal detector with a armrest. Personally, I haven't tried this. I don't know if it works. I don't know if it doesn't. So I would definitely go higher quality if I would be doing that. And that's the way it looks on the front of the store. They got a whole bunch of Bauer tools on sale. They got this hardwood bench, 60-inch, $129.99 from $149. It's really nice. I like the drawers. Seem to be really smooth. They got the 20-volt lithium Earthquake XT high torque impact wrench for $239. Definitely recommend it. It does have, I believe, up to 1200 breakaway torque, I believe. These are huge. These are great tools. Definitely heavy duty tools, especially for the professional level. The only downfall on those is that the batteries, you can't really use them for anything else other than those guns. $6.99 for the cutoff discs, and $99 for the 18 gauge, 16 gauge 3-in-1 air nailer stapler. That's the middle one right there. Beside the Pierce, it's the new Central Pneumatic. So definitely check it out. And they got this flooring nailer stapler, $139 from Banks, 2-in-1. As it says right there. And then you got this. You got the 15-degree coil sliding nailer for $199. It's on sale for $219. Then if you guys haven't checked out these brass industrial couplers, 99 cents. They're from Merlin. Anything that you're buying from Harbor Freight, if it's a coupler or an air adapter, make sure it's Merlin. Do not buy anything else. $349 for the air gun from Merlin. $549 for the 0.5 gallon sprayer. I do have this thing. Works really good. I mainly use it for my car wash chemicals. $7.99 for a 3/4 flat Seeper Soaker hose. Then made in the USA, $16.99, and made in China probably $4.99. American flags. $124 for the 14 amp 1.5 capacity corded electric chipper shredder. It's on sale. $21.99 for the heavy duty reflective weather resistant tarp. I do have one of these. It's holding up really well out there in the middle of the sun, the middle of the heat. So that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.